Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get the new Iceborn Candy Cane and GPO from the latest Christmas update. The Iceborn Candy Cane is a new sword you can get by farming Santa. Santa isn't a normal boss, he moves around different islands and drops presents when you hit him. First head to the second sea. Santa also appears in the first sea, and honestly farming him there is easier because the islands are closer together. Once you see Santa on your screen, follow him as he travels from island to island, deal damage to him and he'll start dropping presents. Open those presents for a chance to get the Iceborn Candy Cane, which is a very rare drop. You can also get other Iceborn weapons, but the Candy Cane is what we're aiming for. Having a fruit like Pika really helps you so you can keep up with Santa. And that's it, that's the easiest way to get the Iceborn Candy Cane. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.